Alright, the first seed order of 2026 has arrived in the mail from Baker Creek, and as I do every year, I decided I'll just do a quick video showing you, what I got this year. And I tell you what, once you order from Baker Creek, you get this wonderful catalog in the mail every year, beginning of the year, and it's just worth placing orders from them just to, see what's new. Anyhow, here's the first order of 2026. Remember the lemon and lime trees I bought years ago and put in pots? And, first lemon we've had out of them yet, a couple years later. Look at the size of that thing. This tree looks dead in the winter usually. The leaves all drop off, and you can see new growth coming for the spring. But another couple days, that lemon will be ready. And we've had a couple dozen of them key limes off of that lime plant there, too. And that's, coming back good now. Just wanted to give you an update. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.